And now it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Good morning, Sea Lions. Welcome to the Sea Lion Splash.
Last week, we had our very first DJ dance party. Check out some of the fun that we had out on the field. We also celebrated the very first Sea Lion Awards. Congratulations to all the students that have been working so hard and got recognized by their teachers.
This is Sea Lion leader Yusuf Bari with this week's announcements. Wednesday has a lot going on. First, wear your college gear because it's college day. Walk and roll to school day is also on Wednesday. Lastly, PTA reflections are due on Wednesday. Pageant continues in the gym on Thursday. OSS Parent Information Night is on Thursday night at 5:30. Have a great week.
Here are some words of encouragement from our Sea Lion leaders.
Remember, we're better together. Keep trying, you Sea Lions.
Be your best, Sea Lions.
Have a great day. Make sure to try your best.
If somebody tells you can't do it, you prove them wrong. Always work hard, Sea Lions.
Dream big.
Be awesome. Keep trying, don't give up.
I don't remember what to say.
Key.
No matter what, you can do it. Show empathy and always have a great heart.
Always be kind.
It doesn't matter what other people think of you, just be yourself. Anyone can be friends. It doesn't matter what other people say about you. You're great. Never give up. Be fearless. Be brave, Sea Lions. Have a great school year. Bye. Kindergarten.
Congratulations to kindergarten student Colton Clasby. Colton was responsible with his water bottle at lunch and put it on the table before getting in line. Way to think ahead.
First grade.
Congratulations to first grader Layla Wolf. Layla noticed a friend didn't get a birthday crown due to having a substitute, so we worked together and made sure she got one. Thanks so much for being a great friend.
Second grade.
Congratulations to second grader Benton Bigler. Mrs. Aniceto said that Benton was super focused today and completed lots of tasks. Way to work hard.
Third grade.
Congratulations to third grader Colin Murphy. Miss Vivi says that Colin is always very responsible and a super good sport when playing football. He's always making sure to bring his equipment. Thanks so much.
Fourth grade.
Dr. Arias is excited for fourth grader Flynn Amiel. He says that Flynn played kickball and found out that he actually liked it. He had an open growth mindset and that made all the difference. Way to go, Flynn.
Fifth grade.
Mrs. Brendel wants to shout out fifth grader Jadson Weiswright. She said that Jadson was super kind and helpful for giving up several recesses to help build math notebooks for room 19. That is how we make McGaw great. Thanks so much.
Have a great day at school. That's it, Sea Lions. See you next week. Bye.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.